Create a colorful, fun, cartoon-style educational video showing how to make a basketball court step by step. Begin with a blank open field or empty gym floor. Show cartoon hands drawing and measuring the court layout. Step 1. Clear and level the surface. Remove debris, fill low spots, and smooth everything evenly. When it's flat and clean, you're ready to mark. Step 2. Mark boundaries and center line using bright white or yellow chalk. Measure the length and find the middle, then snap a clean center line. Step 3. Add free throw lines, key areas, 3-point arcs, and the center circle. Step 4. Paint the lines and let them dry. Step 5. Install basketball hoops on both ends, with animated smiling characters helping out. Secure, straight, and ready to play. Step 6. Paint the court floor in vibrant colors, blue, orange, or green. Keep coats even and let them dry fully. Step 7. Add cartoon details like bouncing balls and cheering characters, plus sparkling lights to finish. Smooth, educational, and cheerful.